Okay. Oh, I think just now I mute my audio, sir. Okay, just want to check, is my sounds coming okay? Oh, okay, Kevin, thank you, thank you. Okay, I think just now I accidentally mute my sound. Okay, luckily, yeah, Kevin told me that. Okay, so again, just start over again. Right. So, first of all, thank you for joining me in this section over here. Now, again, this section here, a quick disclaimer. I'm not doing any buy and sell calls. So, if you want to trade any stock based on this discussion this morning, make sure you have your own trading plan. Okay, if not, get advice from a professional. All right. So, well, thank you for joining me again. So, some of the members, if you are here, joining me on last Saturday as well. Okay, thank you for your support as well. I think Mr. Benjamin from MYG do share a very good information, right, about the blockchain and the project that MYG is having, which is Z-Trix. Okay, so hopefully we will see some excitement coming in this industry as well. Blockchain is still, for me, is still pretty early in Malaysia, but I do see, recently like SC Bursa keep pushing and promoting, blockchain technology, Web3. Okay, so hopefully we got more opportunity moving forward in this space over here. All right. So okay, now let's start with Bursa KLC. Okay, Bursa KLC again last week is not that good actually. Okay, but again, even though Bursa is not that good, doesn't mean all stock will follow and drop. So anything that goes up, market goes up, some stock will goes down. Same goes to over here. Okay, but again, if you feel that you don't like what you see so far, I think it's okay to stay away first. Okay. Now, per se for me also, I don't really active trading. Okay, if you have in my Telegram groups, of course in between I do trade a little bit lah, but in very small amount and very small profit. I troubled already. Like for example, I think that they also share MSM hit resistance. That's it. Okay. Of course, I do keep some lah. Hopefully, it can continue to break further lah. But let's say it drop back to my entry price, I just exit. I'm happy with my first TP. Okay, so this is personally what I'm doing right now. Nearest resistance, take profit. That's it. Even though it's just 5%, I think it's still good. Okay, even like this kind of market, I get 5% is still good. Okay, so again, don't overtrade this main thing. KLCI definitely is not looking that great so far. Have been trading below 2040s moving average. If you look into here, okay, we start with KLCI first. So I've been trading below 2040 day moving average since this is back in I think early of October. Okay, so 1 month already we've been trading below. Again, things I don't like is that last week they start to break below certain support level. Okay, which is for me is a crucial support level. So if you check over here, okay, let's go back to my trend line over here. So for me, this is some of the very important so-called support line. They have to hold. This is 1630. I think in the group also we keep talking about 1630. Okay, so if let's say break 1630, I think the trend will be slightly a bit weakening. Okay, which is I think happening right now. Okay, so that's why yeah, don't overtrade. Okay, I do have some stocks still holding. Okay, some long term I just let it be on it. Like Malakov Tenaga, just okay, let it be on it. The rest are MSM. All this actually I keep watching it. Let's say break below further. That's it. I just going to exit from the trades. Okay. So now let's look into others so-called indices or sector as well. We have industrial products. Not too good actually. Consumer, I think today only technology rebounded a bit lah. So like UWC, Greta also moving a little bit. Well, I think technical rebound probably happens. Okay, for technology. So probably if you want to trade some technology, I think it's okay. Plantation, okay. I think plantation also since last 2 weeks ago we already talked about plantation counters. JTSA, last week I talked about RSA beats. Okay, yeah, TH Pan, I'll look into TH Pan later on as well too. Okay, so plantation, yes, good sectors to look into right now. Okay, healthcare is a little bit disappointing, but for me, still not too bad. Okay, it's just holding there. Okay, I still have a little bit of top glove. Still above support. I think, yeah, I just want to give them a little bit of time. Okay, for top glove. Okay, so transportation. Okay, so not much. Telecommunication. Okay, this one not very bad. This one very bad. This is a bit similar like YTL power. So that's why one thing that sometimes I don't like is that whenever the stock break below 2040s, it's the first sign to tell the trend is weakening already. So that's why KLCI started to move this way. So that's why I also a bit scared. Okay, I mean trade cautiously. If let's say you are those that risk taker one, you whack a lot on. Okay, maybe one thing I do is that, like for example, if let's say my my normal trade is 30K per trades. Okay, so sometimes what I do is that during this kind of market I just go for 10K per trades. Okay, so this is how usually I reduce it a little bit lah. Market's not that good lah, so even though the setup is nice, doesn't guarantee you it goes up. All right. So again, this one kind of similar YTR power. Okay, I'm not sure anyone here still holding YTR power now, but definitely it's not that good overall. Okay, today maybe we'll do technical rebound because it dropped quite badly. It fell away from 2040s. Okay, so yep, expect some technical rebound from there. Okay, but long terms, I still think there is no setup yet. Okay, so again, few things over here. If I know a lot of people still quite interested in YTL, probably some of you are still holding. Okay, I know some of my members, friends, they asked me about YTL power since last week. Okay, so here's things that when the stock drop too far from this so-called 20 and 40 moving average, sometimes it will snap back. Okay, again, this is what we call pullback. Uptrend also same things like for example over here, right? If you look into uptrend, okay, if the stock prices far away from 2040, they'll snap back, goes up, snap back. Okay, so downtrend is still the same things. Okay, so I think that currently the price and volume is getting higher as well on last Friday. I most probably I think they'll snap back, okay, to maybe 2 or 2.25 area. Okay, before we'll see some continuation again. Okay, so that's why if you are planning to buy hold for a few months, I think it's like a bit dangerous. Okay, again, just don't take my word for it. Do your own study. But like I say, usually this kind of pattern is inverse pullback patterns. Okay, so yeah, most of the time I will just I don't really like to follow. Okay, I think YTR power kind of same things too. Anyone here still holding YTR power? If yes, type 1. If not, type 2. Okay, if not, type 2. If let's say you didn't hold, I think we skip lah. But I know a lot of people still holding. A lot of people still holding because it's so-called a good fundamental companies and the potential for DC. Okay, but anything, even though sometimes good fundamental companies, sometimes also we have distribution period. Okay, when the stock too hot already, it's more easier for operator to do pump and dump, so-called. Now it looks like a distribution phase. Okay, so same things over here as well. If you notice, okay, keep hitting the 20 MA. Okay, over here, okay, top reversals coming, but fail to cross the 40 MA again. Okay, so maybe this one also it will retest back 20 and then continue in downtrend. All right. Sorry. Anyone here actually holding YTR power? I don't see any feedback so I hope you all didn't hold these two counters. If not, then it's good. Okay. Now let's look into TH plan. Okay. Any stocks that you are having right now, just let me know. Okay, we can study together. Okay. If not, I just want to go through my pullback and reversal list. Okay, let's see anything that we can check on for today. Okay, so now okay, this one slightly a bit weak closing. Unfortunately, on last Friday there's a shooting star high volume over here. Okay, okay, now few things. So most probably this one it will retest support again. Okay, at 60 cents area. Okay, because this shooting star a little bit high volume. Okay, so for me, if let's say this price here still above 60 cents, okay, I think still good. Okay, TH plan still good. Okay, so yeah lah. But this area here also like a resistance also lah. Okay, somewhere around this area. So probably need a little bit time for them to cross. 65 cents. Okay, 65 cents resistance also, which is currently very close with this price. But most of the plantation is a bit close already since last Friday. Okay, even I enter Al-Sawi also a bit close. Okay, actually Al-Sawi, tangan gatal. Sometimes you don't do any trades, you feel uneasy one. So that's why I go for Al-Sawi. I know it's a bit close with resistance already. Okay, so that's why actually I'm aiming for a few bits. Okay, 3-4 bits only, a few percent, and then I trouble. But unfortunately, 265 cannot sell. Okay, no buy at all. So I just going to wait for today again. Okay, let's see whether got any luck or not. Okay, if not, I'm happy with the 3%. Maybe I sell at 260 or something. Okay, let's see how it goes. But yeah, plantation mostly actually at resistance. Okay, so if you want to trade, you must be careful. Probably it will retest back to support again. Okay, any others? Let's try TSH. Okay, TSH is also shooting star, but this one trend still not that nice. Okay, Kim Loon. I think Kim Loon and just another one. There's another one I think it's quite nice also. Okay, Kimno still okay, still quite steady. Okay. The other one, what is the counters? I posted in Telegram, somewhere around 3 to 4 ringgit. DSH. I don't think it's DSH. No, DSH cover already. There's one more plantation counter. So anyone here can remember? I think I posted in the Telegram. It's not Sawa Plantation. Can I see the list over here? Okay, never mind. Later, if I recall, I check again. Okay, now let's look into 99 speed mark. 99 speed mark, I think also the other day got a shooting star or something, right? Doing multiple distribution. Okay, still holding well. The other day it dropped. I thought it's going to drop lower, but it's still holding well. Okay, now because this one, to be frank with you, it just IPO last month. Okay, so yes, even though 1.5 months already, but I still think that the chart still not so sufficient, okay, to do a detailed study in terms of TA right now. Okay, so I think the best way I can do, I go for hourly chart. Okay, slightly a shorter time frame. Okay, then we see how it goes. Okay, so short-term time frame wise, okay, this is like a reaccumulation. We have a little bit of shakeout happening. Okay, from here. Okay, looking for EP, I think currently this is the price at support level. Okay, 2.4. It's a very good support level to monitor. Okay, but short-term wise. Okay, short-term wise. Okay, because I'm using hourly chart. Because daily chart, I still feel that it's not that. It doesn't provide much of the information. Okay, currently. So okay, now let's go to my analyzer. Of course, okay, again, for those that who are new to our analyzer over here, actually analyzer divided into two. This is technical analysis, this is fundamental analysis. This rating over here is a combination of technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So sometimes we call fatal. So okay, now TA wise, I cannot give you ratings because it's a new IPO. I don't have much candle to calculate the formula and for the ratings. Okay, now FA wise, 5 out of 9. Okay, it's not the best one, but okay, right? So I'm not sure whether Calvin, right, you're looking for long term, short term. Long term, I think okay lah, 5 out of 9 still bullet lah. Setup wise, of course, based on current chart, is still uptrending. Okay, it's still uptrending. Okay, probably give another 2 weeks. Okay, you ask me again. Hopefully, we can see a clearer picture after 2 weeks. Okay, but so far, yeah, like, it's uptrending. Okay, so okay, the other one is EMCC. Well, EMCC I think is pretty bad. EMCC. Actually, I'm expecting EMCC to recover because of the gold price. Okay, because they also go do a bit of gold business, right? But unfortunately, this is a pretty bad downtrend. Okay, if you ask me right now, I don't see a good setups. Okay, I don't see. In fact, last week they break another support again, which is around 35 cents. Okay, so again, it's not a good sign. Okay, it's not a good sign. Okay, now if you want to enter for this, okay, you wait for them to cross the downtrend line. Okay, so that they at least do a reversal accumulation. Currently, you're buying like a catching falling knife a bit. Still haven't seen the bottom yet. I'm trying to say that. Okay, still haven't seen the bottom yet. I think we can wait further a little bit to wait for a slightly nicer setups. Okay, again, that's my opinions. So okay, now let's look into MSM. Yes, MSM, I'm still holding half. I'm still waiting for them to cross the R1. Like I said last week, I thought this one going to break already. I think last week the R1 somewhere around here. Okay, morning break already. I thought yes, coming already. But it didn't. Okay, but Friday closing still pretty good for me because it's holding well. So like I said, as long as most of the time if you see shooting star candles, right? If the next few candles they are holding well, okay, again this is again a good sign also. Okay, which means someone's still keen to support the movement. All right. So well, EP wise, okay, because I'm looking for exit actually. Okay, EP wise, yeah lah, this level is the latest support lah. Okay. So what is this price? This price over here is around 1.35, 1.34 area. I think it's a good area for you to focus some opportunity at the latest support. Okay, opportunity later support. Okay, percent for me, I prefer 1.3 lah. Okay, I prefer 1.3. Okay, if let's say really later on they make another deep pullback to 1.3, maybe this is the area that I will consider. Okay, to see whether I want to re-enter back again or not to do a little bit of talk. Okay, so 1.35. Okay, 1.3 lah. Okay, this is a zone that I think you can focus, okay, for low risk opportunities. Okay, so of course over here is more safer, okay, but I'm not sure whether that will retest around this area back again or not, okay, because sometimes when they start trending right, okay, it won't drop back to the main support. Okay, again, have to see your risk to reward ratio. Oh, sorry. Have to see your risk to reward ratio lah, because this one I got a big profit already, so I can risk slightly further by entry a bit high. All right. So okay. Any other stocks? If not, I just go through my trade signal See got anything that interesting or not? Okay. So far morning, just I checked before we start, it's still pretty boring So again, if you like my section over here, okay, if you enjoy the section last Saturday as well, if you join us, okay, help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out, okay, so that we can grow our community further. Okay. Oh, Binacom used to be a growing counter again. Volume coming back already, but the more okay, market not so strong the more okay, this kind of counter sometimes got volume suddenly quiet for a few months. Okay, this one also volumes coming back. This is Lotus. Okay, again, used to be pump and dump also growing counters. Okay, but volume coming back also. Now, for those that who like excitement, I think quite suitable. Okay, but not for me right now. Market is not that fantastic. Oh, okay, DNO I think is good because UWC break R1 already. Okay, I don't want to chase anymore. Actually, looking for something very similar to do a quick trades also. Okay, so yeah, maybe I'll consider DNO. Okay, because DNO still below R1 over here. Okay, again here sometimes break already. Careful now, got shooting star one. I think Great Tech this morning also it break very fast shooting star already. So once it break, like I said, currently for me I end short term. Okay, not sure about you all. Break R1. Okay, even though a few percent take first Okay, you can take half Okay, like for me I enter 10k, get 5k first a few percent, few hundred ringgit also good okay, a day. Right, so CHB, CHB, nothing much, very illiquid. XOX, I don't like it actually. Wow, what happens? Okay, tak apa lah. Okay, Unisem. Okay, Unisem looks also going to do some technical rebound, is it? Okay, never mind, I prefer DNO. Okay, maybe later we focus DNO. Okay, nothing much. Okay, now last one before we close, we look into mBank. Okay, mBank still hold well. Okay, this one still hold well. Nothing much to review. Is a reaccumulation phase after uptrend. Okay, of course, they are still below resistance. Quite a stubborn resistance over here. Got some high volume. So, but I guess it's gonna take some time. Okay, in this segment, it kind of remind me of my Tenaga also. Cannot break, but after that it drop back. So, yeah you must expect this range. They keep the sideways this range. Okay, but mBank so far okay. I don't see any weaknesses coming. Okay, it's a reaccumulation, so yes, going to take time in this so-called sideways zone. Okay, because maybe previously also they're in a strong uptrend already. Okay, again like Tenaga also strong uptrend, so reaccumulations probably will take some times. Okay, any other questions? If not, we'll end our section this morning. Again, my list over here is still the same. We got UWC, nothing much. Okay, but like I said, UWC, they crossed already R1. Okay, so probably later on look for DNO. All right, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. Like I said, if you like my section over here, help me to get the like buttons, help me to share this out. You know we have Telegrams. Okay, join our Telegram so that we have further discussions. Okay, in the group. So thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow.